Hey family, welcome back to Miss Nanda's channel. Today I am bringing you Dollar General 5 off of 25. Y'all know this is Saturday and I got my 5 off of 25. So, went into the store, y'all, and these stores are bare here. I mean bare. You know, we had those good old coupons this week, so everybody hit up during the week instead of waiting for the 5 off of 25, which, you know, I don't blame them. Plus, we got that P&G, and y'all, my store was so bare, I didn't get to actually get the 5 off, you know, get to do my P&G because I got the 5 off of 20, but I save it for another time because I think it doesn't expire until sometimes next month, I believe. So, let's go ahead and get to this video, all right? So the first thing is the Tide Simply Pods. You can either get the pods or the liquid. They are $2.95. There is a $1 off digital coupon that is attaching, okay? The next thing is the Chic Classic Razors. You can either get the men or the women, okay? They are $4 each, and there is a $3 off digital coupon that is attaching. If y'all hear any noise going on, it's my air. It is hot out here, y'all, and I had to, you know, I have to cut on the air. I'm so sorry. But the next thing is the Lysol to go. There is a digital coupon that is for 50 cents off, and you know, everything in here is digital, and it made it on, they are $1 a piece, but I said, let me go ahead and get some of these to go. Wipes, because I wanted to keep them in my car. I had some more, but I forgot to put those in my car, so I'm gonna make sure I keep these in my car because I always have sanitize, okay? The next thing, y'all. All right, I got these two Chere'er Fruities. I got the shampoo and conditioner. So there is a $2 off digital coupon that is attaching, okay, to one. I was thinking that I had a coupon, which I did, and I gave it to the girl, but it was actually expired. So I could not use it. I don't know what I was thinking of, y'all. I don't know. But anyway, I could have just told her to take one of them off, but I just went ahead and paid for the other one. You know, my 5 off of 25, something came off of it, so I was fine with that. The next thing is this Oral-B. This is the toothbrush, I'm sorry. This is the double pack. This is $3. There is a $2 off digital coupon that is attaching, okay? The next thing is the Bic. These Bic, let's see, the Bics are, I think they was $1.50 or $1, let's see, $1. These are $1, so there is a $1 off digital coupon that is attaching. So it's making these, and y'all, they didn't give me the whole $1 off. It gave me 99 cents, so I got those for a penny, okay? The next thing are these car clips. These Febreze car clips, they are $3 each, and there is a coupon that is $2. Well, if you buy two, you get $3 off of two, okay? So make sure that you scan these because some of these are $4 instead of $3, okay? Then the last thing is the Scott Paper Towel Comfort Plus. You can either get the 6 rows or you can get the 12 rows. The 6 rows, I got these are $3 each, and there is a $1 off digital coupon that is attaching, only making it $2. All right, y'all. So after everything was scanned, all my coupons came off. My subtotal was $10.46. Yes, $10.46. Y'all, our shelves was bare. I didn't get to even try the P&G along with the 5 off of 25. I hope somebody out there did. So hopefully by next week, I can try to do it, or for next week with 5 off of 25, hopefully. If not, then I'll just go ahead and just use my P&G within the week. So let me show you my receipt. There's the Lysol, there's the Bic, there's the Chic, there's the Tide, there's the Febreze, there's the Oral-B, there's the Scott, there's the Fruities, and then my 5 off of 25 came off, along with all my digitals, $10.46. Total savings was $18.49. And I got a 5 off of 25 for next week. So this right here, y'all, is my Dollar General haul. If you would just like, subscribe to my channel, and thank you for coming by Miss Nanda's channel.